Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make AI art with Leonardo AI. So first things first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Leonardo AI. And then here you can tap on get started if you don't have an account. So it's easy to create an account here in Leonardo. All you need to do is create an account using your Google account. You create an account using your Apple and create an account using Microsoft or email and password. Once done, it will take you directly to your Leonardo AI dashboard or home. And actually, for a beginner, Leonardo AI will give you at least 150 credits. You can tap on older version, this one, but you can also use the new version of Leonardo. This time, let's choose the old version. As you can see, there are 150 credits for the meantime. If you want to upgrade, then you can tap on upgrade. So here are the tools and features that you can use here in Leonardo AI. But since we will focus on how to make AI art, then you can tap on the image option right here or tool right here. And then you just have to simply paste that specific prompt or create a specific prompt. You can see different models and styles if you want to. And on the left side, you can change here the ratio, the style, the format, and how many numbers of result you want. But basically, as a beginner, it is already 4 styles. You can just change that one if you have upgraded your plan. Once you have set everything here, and then you can now add your prompt. You can ask ChatGPT for a prompt, or you can create your own. So type it right here or paste it right here. And as you can see, every image or result is equivalent to 34 coins. And this is the result. Now, if you tap this one right here, then you can just also change the result if you want. You can ask for revision or you can just save the video. So this is what it looks like. It depends on the prompt that you have added, if you have paste here. If you want to get a good result for your AI art here in Leonardo, you must have a good prompt also. And this is how easy it is to make AI art with Leonardo AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.